Are you looking for Salespanel Lifetime Deal? You have come to the right place. Appsumo is presently offering Salespanel Lifetime Deals at a discounted price. Don't miss out on the deal today. Say hello to Salespanel Lifetime Deal. Salespanel is a platform that helps B2B businesses track customer journeys, analyze website traffic, and identify qualified leads using first-party data. Use Salespanel to track website visitors before they sign up, fill out a contact form, or schedule a demo. Salespanel makes it easy to integrate with thousands of apps. It also integrates with tools like Calendly, Intercom, WordPress, and all email marketing tools. You can create custom reports based on URLs, page views, and visitor tags. Check out the Salespanel Lifetime Deal page for more information. Salespanel helps B2B businesses track customer journeys, analyze site traffic, and identify qualified leads using first-party data. Salespanel lets you track website visitors to understand what they do before signing up, filling out a contact form, or scheduling a demo. Automatically sync first-party data with Pipedrive and Salesforce, arming your sales team with more information to close a sale. You can integrate with thousands of apps via Zapier, REST API, or webhooks, making Salespanel a flexible addition to your sales and marketing workflows. This platform also integrates with tools like Calendly, Intercom, WordPress, and all email marketing tools via a tracking link. You can view real-time visitor metrics to insights into what's happening on your website down to the minute. You'll also be able to discover your traffic sources to identify which channels, content pieces, and marketing activities are moving the needle. And because Salespanel is GDPR compliant, none of your data will be used for advertising or shared with third parties. You can even segment leads to tailor marketing and sales tactics to boost conversions for different audiences. Salespanel lets you enable push and email notifications so your sales team can follow up or offer an upsell in time. Plus, you'll be able to export segments automatically, which makes it easier to create lookalike audiences for your ads. Salespanel can generate custom reports that identify leads by URLs, page visits, visitor tags, and more. And you can disable tracking on select pages, like the login page, to focus solely on new visitors and leads. It's super easy to share these reports with your team using a URL that anyone can access. No login required. With first-party data on your side, you'll feel like Neo looking into the Matrix. Salespanel replaces Google Analytics with first-party data that helps you segment audiences and create targeted marketing campaigns. Get lifetime access to Salespanel today. Salespanel Lifetime Deal feature. Using first-party data, Salespanel helps B2B businesses track customers' journeys, analyze site traffic, and identify qualified leads. Let's look at the Salespanel Lifetime Deals features included in all plans. Analyze website traffic in real time to understand how customers are using the site. Monitor what website visitors do before registering, filling out a contact form, or scheduling a demo. Sync first-party data with Pipedrive and Salesforce automatically. You can integrate with thousands of apps via Zapier, REST API, or webhooks. It also integrates with tools such as Calendly, Intercom, WordPress, and all email marketing tools. You can view all of your website's visitor activity in real time. Make your marketing campaigns more effective by segmenting your audience. Generate custom reports that identify leads by URLs, page visits, tag information, and more. Check out Salespanel Lifetime Deal just for $49 now.